Kaizer Chiefs latest and breaking news. Sibongiseni Mthetho has stated on an interview that I'm waiting for Kaizer Chiefs call. My dream is to play for Amakhosi. In fact, all PSL players we all know that Chiefs is a big club. I like to be here. Anything can happen. This is football. According to Kaizer Chiefs management, big shout out to incredible football stars who've earned the honor of representing their respective national teams. Your dedication, hard work, and skill have paid off, and we couldn't be prouder. Pitso Mosimane has elaborated on Gaston Serona's situation. There's been a lot of talk, and if Sundowns prepared to sell Sirino, I don't know, but Sundowns don't need money to sell Sirino. Gaston Sirino has done a complete U-turn on his desire to leave Mamelodi Sundowns in favor of move abroad, believed to be in the United Arab Emirates. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.